Hey you guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I wash my microfiber towels. So first things first, you need dirty towels that need to be washed, obviously. So we got our dirty towels here. I'm gonna carry these downstairs. Hopefully I don't drop them. Turn the light on. So, once we get downstairs, we got the washer and the dryer. I know these are extremely old. I'm sure most of you guys have a lot newer appliances than I do. So we will be using the Microfiber Wash for this. Now, I really recommend this. You don't really want to use like Draft or anything like that. You want to use soap that's specifically meant for microfiber towels. So normally, depending on the load, I'll put either 5 capfuls or 10 capfuls. Really all depends. I mean, it's up to you. It'll say right here, for a small load, add 1 ounce, which is approximately 1 to 4 capfuls. For a full load, add 2 ounces, which is 8 to 10 capfuls. And I like to go on the heavier side, that's why I do 10. So, you always want to wash them in hot water. I'm going to open this up here, turn that to hot. I'll set this to 8. Now this is going to be different with basically every different appliance that you guys have, so it might not be the same exact setup for you guys, but it's gonna be similar. Hot water, make sure you set it to what you need to. So we'll turn it on. Now I'm just gonna do about 5 capfuls because I only have about half a load, really small load. So do 5 capfuls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we got the soap in there, we'll put the towels in. Okay, so now that I got the towels in, I can shut this, obviously. And it is really hot, you might not be able to see the steam, but it's super hot, so shut that. Now we'll wait till this is done, and then I will show you guys how I dry the towels. So I'm gonna wait for this to get done, and then I will catch up with you guys. Okay, so they're now done washing. The next thing we're gonna do is dry them, obviously. So take them out of here. I'm gonna try and do this one-handed. Oh, that's all of them. So when I dry these, I always dry them on low heat. If you dry them on high heat, you will literally fry the fibers in the microfiber towel. So we'll start this, and then I'll catch up with you guys once they're done drying. Okay, so now that the towels are all done drying, all we gotta do is put them into the basket. So they're nice and soft. They're a little staticky, but not too bad. Shovel these in the basket. They barely fit. I got way too many towels. Got a few more in there. So yeah, that's it. They're all done. All nice and clean now. And I will leave a link in the description down below to this. So if you guys want to pick this up, you can. For a bottle this size, it is about $10, I believe. But you can also get it in 64 ounces and everything else like that. So, thanks for watching today's video, and I will catch you guys next time.